Good morning to all. My name is Kalpesh Gambhir Chaudhary, and today's my topic is methods of string in Java. So first of all, what is string? String is a basically an object that represented sequence of character value. An array of character works same as Java string. So this is a string. So Java string provides a lot of methods perform operation on string such as compare, concat, equals, split, length, replace, compare to, inter, substring, etc. So the character sequence the character sequence interface is used to represent the sequence of character string buffer and string builder classes. It means we create a string in Java by using these three classes: string buffer, and string builder. So Java string is immutable, which means it cannot be changed. Whenever we change any string, a new instance is created for mutable string. Can you can use string buffer and string builder. So first, what is string? So string is a sequence of character, but in Java, string is an object that represent a sequence of character. So how we create a string object? So there are two ways to create a string object. First is by string literal, and second one is by new keyword. So string literal. So string literal is created by using double quote. Suppose, for example, string as is equal to, in double quotes, Hefshine. So each time you create a string literal, the JVM check the string constant pool first. If the string already exists in the pool, a reference to the pool instance is written. If the string does not exist the pool, the new string instance is created and place the pool. So next one is a by using new keyword. So new keyword string s1 is equal to new string in bracket Hefshine. So the many methods in string. So first is a caret. So caret method return char value for the particular index. So next one is a length. So length method return string length, and the next one is a string format, static string format. Static string format return a formatted string. So next one is a uh, char sequence. So char sequence boolean content is return true or false after matching the sequence of char value. So next one is a uh, uh, boolean equals object. So check the equality of string with the given object. The next one is a concat. So concat method concat the specified string. Next one is a replace method. So the replace method is replace all the occurrence of the specified character value. The next one is a static string ignore case ignore case. So equal ignore case method compares the another string, it does not check case. Next one is a split method. So split method is a return a split string matching regress. So next one is a intern string intern. So string intern method return any intern string. Next one is a int index of. So this method return the specific character value index. So next one method is a index of. So this method return the specific character value index starting with given index. So next one is a to lowercase. So lowercase method is return the string in lowercase. Next one is a uppercase. So the uppercase is a method return a string in uppercase. So next one is a stream method. Stream method remove to beginning and ending space of this string. And the last one method is a string value of. So string value of is a convert given to type into string. It is an overloaded method. So this is the methods and string in Java. Thank you.